In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change structure in Elementor. Whether you're new to Elementor or just looking for a way to reorganize your design, understanding how to manipulate the structure of your page can make a big difference in your workflow. So, get ready to dive in and see just how easy it is. To start, we need to access the navigator. The navigator is a powerful tool that acts as a visual tree of all the sections, columns, and widgets on your page. This allows you to see, at a glance, how everything is layered and structured. To open the navigator, you have a few options. You can simply click the structure icon located in the bottom panel of your Elementor interface. Alternatively, you can right-click on any element in your design and select Navigator from the context menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+I on Windows or CMD+I on a Mac. Each of these methods will bring up the navigator, placing all your page elements right at your fingertips. Now that you have the navigator open, let's talk about how you can use it to reorganize your layout. One of the best features of the navigator is the ability to drag and drop elements. You can click and hold on any section, column, or widget within the tree view and move it to a new location in your design. This is particularly useful if you're working on a long or complex layout and want to experiment with the arrangement of your elements to achieve the best possible design. In addition to rearranging elements, the navigator offers a range of options to make your editing process even more flexible. If you right-click on any item within the navigator, you'll be greeted with a suite of options. You can edit the item directly from here, saving you time from having to locate it on the main design page. Need an exact copy of an element? Just select Duplicate from the menu. You can also copy and paste elements, either within the same page or across different pages, perfect for maintaining consistency in your design. Another handy feature is the ability to rename items. This is especially useful in complex projects where naming each section and widget helps you keep track of what everything is. The Hide Show option allows you to toggle the visibility of elements, offering a clear view of how your page looks without specific sections for a cleaner design or troubleshooting. And if you find something that's no longer needed, you can easily delete it right from within the navigator. And there you have it. By mastering the use of the navigator, you gain more control over your design process, making it more intuitive and efficient. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing to perfect your Elementor skills.